Want to grow food without soil, in small spaces, and still make big profits? Vertical farming is blowing up, and today, I'm breaking down the top 7 crops that are perfect for vertical farming and making money while saving space. Stick around to the end, because I'll reveal the one crop that even beginners are using to start profitable urban farms from their balconies. Hey farmers and future food bosses. I'm Evelyn from Premier AgriHub, and if you're into urban farming, food security, and smart agribusiness, hit subscribe and turn on that bell icon, because I post weekly videos on profitable indoor farming, especially in Africa. Top 7 crops for vertical farming. Number 7. Lettuce. Lightweight, fast-growing, and high yield. Perfect for beginners. You can harvest every 30 days. Restaurants love it. Number 6. Basil. High market demand, especially in urban restaurants. Plus, basil grows bushy, great for vertical shelf systems. Number 5. Spinach. Nutritious, fast to grow, and very little maintenance. Whether you're in Ghana, Kenya, or Brooklyn, it thrives. Number 4. Strawberries. Everyone's favorite fruit. And yes, they grow beautifully in vertical towers. Higher returns, especially off-season. Number 3. Microgreens. These are mini plants with mega profits. 7 to 10 days from seed to harvest. Great for chefs and health food markets. Number 2. Kale. Kale is the OG superfood. It loves vertical farming and brings in loyal health-conscious buyers. Number 1. Oyster mushrooms. Wait, yes. Mushrooms like oyster or lion's mane grow without sunlight, stackable, and insanely profitable. A kilogram can fetch serious money in urban markets. Bonus tip. Bonus, mix 2 to 3 crops like lettuce, basil, and mushrooms into one vertical system and sell as a fresh from the wall box. It's eco-friendly and trendy. Now tell me in the comments, which of these would you love to grow first? Or are you already growing one? Like this video? Hit like and drop an emoji in the comments to join our future farmers crew. I'll reply to every comment for the next 24 hours.